Okay, hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer once again with another video. This time I bring you Jumpman on the Commodore 64. It's an old game from 1983. It's a platform game in same style as Donkey Kong, kind of. So let's see if we can get it one started here. I'm new to this game, so let's see if we can get anywhere. Beginner, of course, and one player. Let's speed it up a little here in the loading. Alright, so here we go. I play as this little bloke here, and I need to collect these dots here, these orange dots, and these white bullets I have to avoid. So it's very modest sound effects, but it's okay for its age. It's okay little game actually. I mean, graphically it's not a masterpiece, but who cares? It's the gameplay that matters. So here we go. I have to jump over this okay, so now I have one dot left, but I will get there, I think, without dying. So there you go. First level, no problem, and all my information is down underneath the gaming screen with all my lives and points and everything. Now in this level I have to deal with a little bit of robots here. Yes, I know it's one player. I have used it before. So these two robots here, they freezes every now and then. So I have to like there, you know. So when they freezes, I have to make my moves and try to be a little bit strategic. Oh shit! And I cannot of course jump from one ledge to the other. Look at that effect! Look pretty crazy actually. So it's pretty generous with lives actually. I had 7 lives to begin with. Okay, now they are on the move here. Now that they have freezed. Shit, I thought I could jump from that ledge to the other. Okay, yeah. But I have only 2 dots left, so now I have to make this level, that's for sure. Let's go up here first. Try to fool. It's a little bit of, I must say that, okay, I think I have already said it, that it's a little bit of Load Runner style, this how to lure them, and you know, but Load Runner is even more advanced when it comes to that actually, so. And even more tricky, I think. So that was the second level done. Bombs away. Alright. Let's see how this level is. I have always tried it, but I don't think I have ever finished it, this one, so let's try to avoid these falling bombs here. And I should collect this in the... Every time I collect something, I will lose some ground. Okay, let's collect this one. And I can jump over from this sledge to the other. I think I can jump. It looks like a pretty long one, but yes, I could do it. And I think I can also jump to the middle there. I'm not very sure. Can I jump here to that? Yes, I could. Oh shit. Oops, I managed. Stay away from that. Alright, so far I think we are good actually. One has to think a little strategic here, how to take in which order to take them, so to speak. I think we are good there. I shall wait so I can jump over. I can go up here first actually and take this one. There you go, and jump over. Yes, I made it. It's cool, a cool game actually. No, I missed it. Shit. Oh shit, no. Oh, I managed it. This is crazy. I don't... I'm a little lucky. Let's go over here. I have only one orange dot and I have to take it. Yes, there you go. So doing pretty good here. Cool. Level 4 then. This one I have never seen actually, so perhaps this is where I will die. I don't know. Okay, it looks like pretty straightforward from like... Oh shit. I don't know what is happening here. What kind of enemies is that? They're like mirrors that is falling down. Aye, aye, aye. It was a pretty long jump there actually, okay. But it seems like it's doable actually, I don't know. Okay, let's... Oh shit. Sometimes I don't know exactly how I survive. Well, I'm pretty lucky sometimes. Oh shit. Okay, stay there. So avoid them. Let's go down here. Shit. It's a strange enemy, this one. Okay, go down there. Now he's climbing by himself. That's odd. And when these mirrors touch me, I don't die. It just make me jump. Ah, okay. So they are lethal anyway. They just threw me away sometimes. Strange enemy. Very strange enemy. Okay, okay. And this rope there, it drags me up automatically. Okay, let's jump over here first. A very strange kind of enemy actually. There you go, thank you. Let's avoid this one. Let's try to go down here now. And collect the last one down here. Oh shit. Thank you. Yes, we made it. Cool game, this one actually. sorry. Vampire. Wow, do we have to fight against vampires now? Wow. Seems like a pretty straightforward level. Okay, so now it's like the other level here, where sometimes... Oh shit, here comes the vampires. Ah, shit. Yeah. Yeah, of course they will kill me, but I didn't know what to do, actually. I was a little stunned there. So where do I start now? Okay, let's jump this way then. Can I get up there? Perhaps I can only go down there. I have to wait. Ay, shit, I didn't see that one. I will take that one last, but I am down to my last life now, so... I mean that dot that is underneath the vampire or the seagull or wherever there is. Oh shit, they're coming down. No! Is it? Yeah, it's game over there, but we have to leave it now. We have played some 5-6 levels, so wow, 6,100 points. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that one. Second in the scoreboard. And now, how do I play? I have to write it in stupid arcade style here. So I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, it's a 7 out of 10 for this one. It's a cool game, actually. I strongly recommend it. That was Jumpman on the Commodore 64. Cool game. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.